In this video, I'm going to be talking about the cost of ownership of my M3. Now, before I get started, I just want to share that there are so many different factors that can come into play when it comes down to actual numbers. So some numbers will definitely vary depending on your situation, like if you're taking out a loan or the cost of your insurance. So let's get started. All right, the first cost is going to be the cost of insurance. So I pay $1,782 a year, or about $148 a month. But again, this cost is going to be different for everyone because it varies based off your driving history. And one quick tip that I want to give you guys is to definitely shop around for insurance quotes. I've heard Costco gives out good deals. There's different packages that people can give you if you own a home or have like other types of insurance. And if you aren't driving a lot because of COVID, you should definitely call up your insurance company and lower your mileage so that the price of your insurance can go down. Now the second cost is going to be registration. So I live in California, so I pay roughly about $600 a year. But I think you can just go on Google and then just Google car registration costs, and there should be like some type of calculator out there. Next cost is gas. So gas is obviously going to be based on how much you drive the car and how you drive the car. So I'm just going to give you the tank size and fuel consumption numbers because our gas prices are going to vary. The fuel tank size for the M3 is about 15.9 gallons. Or 60 liters, and the MPG is 17 city and 25 highway. And for reference, I average around 21 miles per gallon, and California gas prices are pretty low right now, but I think the average is around $3 for 91 fuel. So 3 times around 16 gallons is about 48. So that's my rough estimation. And I fill up typically like once or twice a month normally. So I'll just put it at $100 a month. All right, so the next one is maintenance, and I'm actually not gonna be that helpful in this section because I have extended warranty that runs to 2021, but I did do some research on how much it costs to do an oil change, and that's roughly around I think around $200 for dealerships, but you can get it done yourself for under $100. All right, so the next cost is tires, and I haven't replaced my tires yet, but personally I'm gonna get the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, but the average price you're gonna be looking at for tires is around $1,000 to $1,100, and obviously tires will last depending on how you drive it. All right, so there you have it. That is the cost to own an F80 M3. Now again, I just wanna reiterate that there are so many different factors that can come into play when running these numbers. But I just want to show you my numbers just so that you guys can see an estimate and a couple of guidelines on what to look out for on the cost of an M3. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe for more content, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks.